Hi you guys, Sandra Rains DeBusk, Sasquatch girl and author here. This really has nothing to do with Sasquatch or Dogman or aliens. It's got to do with God. And it's just a little story. In 2011, it had just turned 2011, and my mother found out, we were all with her, that she had cancer, lung cancer. And the truth is that, you go back to feeling like a young kid, and, it scares you. And it did. It scared us kids, which it should, rightly so. Anyway, 8 months after she was diagnosed, she passed away. And I gave my mother mouth-to-mouth, trying to resuscitate her, and I failed. Okay, but during this time, she went through chemo and radiation. It was intense chemo and radiation. The cancer spread supposedly through her body, and at one point she had brain cancer too. Her eyes swelled up and bulged out. Anyway, I don't know that was actually the truthful cause of that, because later, after Mommy died, it was Adams County, Ohio Cancer Institute, or Cancer Center. They were raided by the FBI, and found out that, and this is what my medical doctor, my family doctor told me, his nurse told me, the FBI raided them, and they were accused of over-treating people for Medicaid money. So anyway, Mommy died. I did a lot of praying during the time Mom was sick. And so after Mom died, I got really angry with God. And it doesn't matter that I'm admitting to it, God already knows. But, and I just couldn't believe, as hard as I prayed, and as many times as I prayed, that God took her from me anyway. And, I might have even at one point had a nervous breakdown after Mommy passed. Because it was you know how bad you need your mother. No matter how old you are, you need your mommy. That's what I mean by you go back to being a young child. I was 47, and I felt 12 when my mom died. So anyway, I got angry with God, like I said, and after a while, I told him, I said, God, if you're real, and if you do exist, you gotta show me. I gotta know what I'm believing in is real. And, I was just as honest about it as I could be, because I thought, what God let such a good person, a good woman, suffer so bad And then it dawned on me, he did the same with, look how he suffered watching his son, get crucified, beaten. But anyway, and then, after I told God how I felt, I got this picture that you're looking at with my cell phone. And I don't know if you can see what I see, but he did that for me. Maybe I'm the only one that can see it for what it is. But that gave me my faith back. I had lost my faith. So, and it was in 2011 that Mommy passed. And it still hurts, but I'm more at peace with it because I know she's in a better place. She visited me once, and she looked so happy. So, anyway, you guys, thank you for listening, and I love you. I just wanted to show you what God did for me. Whether you can see it or not, whole different story. I see it.